Now it's time for our parkour.
I thought that would be deeper.
But that was close. Squish the bait, squish the bait, squish it. I'm a cool person. I'm a bee killer. And what? Stop!
Yes. You have an advantage because your legs are.
Do I climb up here or do you climb over?
You go and then you climb the ladder.
Here?
You skip that one and you skip the next one. You don't touch the bottom. You have to go straight to the rail.
No, I shouldn't have suggested you.
Turn your feet. Turn your other foot towards me.
Yeah, I failed. So, 2 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
This will be cutted.
Yeah.
Oh, so beast.